So this is the test circuit that we've made. So with the switch we can actually disconnect the car ECM from the Vtec Spool Assembly. Once we disconnect it, we can test to see if this spool assembly is faulty. Because if we disconnect it and from here to here we measure with a multimeter and it's not 0 ohms, it's a faulty Vtec Spool Assembly pressure switch. We can also have it disconnected and check the voltage output from the car ECM. When we close the switch, it connects it back up so you can drive the car normally. These two wires at the back, that's the orange and the red, they go down to the back of the engine and connect where the original Vtec solenoid plug used to go. Okay, and they come back, go to this via the switch in that box there, and inside the box we see the little testing points, and if they flick the switch up you can test.